Top Quality Analyst Interview Questions and Answers 2026. When choosing the vocation wherein you need to be, the main consideration isn't just the one you think can appreciate dealing with it. Yet, being in that classification requires a ton of abilities, including understanding the obligations as well as the fundamental occupation obligations for the profession you picked. The equivalent goes when picking a vocation as a career quality assurance analyst. It doesn't just expect you to be a decent analyst, brisk student, or exceptional scholar. In addition, it requires you to be a perplexing issue solver as well. As a quality analyst, you can acquire the experience of assessing the total improvement of an item or an undertaking. You can likewise be associated with researching and deciphering bugs while additionally keeping up appropriate documentation. For a quality analyst new employee screening, the quality analyst interview questions are required to be specialized just as scientific, which will test your core skills as a QA engineer. Top 30 Quality Analyst Interview Questions in 2026. Here are some questions for prospective quality analyst employees. Meet quality analyst interview questions to help you prepare for the job. When choosing quality analyst careers, the central consideration isn't just the one you think can appreciate your chipping away at it. In any case, being in that class requires a ton of abilities, including understanding the obligations as well as the important occupation obligations for the profession you picked. The equivalent goes when picking a profession as a QA analyst. It doesn't just expect you to be a decent analyzer, snappy student, or exceptional mastermind, it additionally requires you to be an unpredictable issue solver as well. Quality Analyst Interview Questions Set 1. 1. What is characterized testware? It is used to disclose the materials used to do a test. Testware includes curiosities delivered in the test interaction to execute, plan, and plan messages like anticipated outcomes, contents, and information bases and data sources. 2. What is clarify branch testing? Testing every single one of the potential branches from which every choice is refined whenever it occurs is known as brand testing. 3. What do you mean by the term QA? Quality confirmation is utilized to help increase client certainty, the association's capacity, and work effectiveness. It is a procedure used in the improvement of items that ensures a specific degree of quality. 4. What is the difference between quality assurance, QA, quality control, QC, and software testing? Programming testing is a cycle that looks at whether the item created by an engineer satisfies the quality guidelines. The essential goal of doing programming testing is to find bugs and fix them. On the other hand, quality assurance, QA, refers to an efficient way that includes checking measures. The cycles play a part in creating quality items. It tracks the yields and goes on to change the activities to meet the ideal results. At last, quality control, QC, is a tried method that frets about the quality of the item in assembly. As a testing device, it discovers abandoned items. In the wake of discovering shortcomings, it presents ideas on the most proficient method to kill them. It falls under the duties of an analyst. Ensure operational excellence by understanding the key differences between quality assurance and quality control. Suggested read, Quality Assurance versus Quality Control. 5. What is a bug life cycle? The bug life cycle is likewise referred to as the defect life cycle. It is a product testing cycle where a bug or imperfection experiences its lifetime. It comprises a few phases. An analyzer finds a bug. The individual appoints it with one of two statuses, open or new. The discovered bug is then allocated to a specific improvement project facilitator. The person examines the idea of the bug. The chief will decide if the bug is substantial or not. In the event that the imperfection isn't substantial, the undertaking facilitator will dismiss the bug with the status dismissed.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.